Here is the most essential competency you must develop for today. Explain the different processes that occur along the plate boundaries. Specifically, you must be able to explain what happens when two oceanic plates collide. Before we proceed, let us first check if you can still remember the concepts related to plate tectonics. First, we have the idea the entire lithosphere of the Earth is broken into segments called rings. Lithospheric plates are large pieces of the Earth's lithosphere that move over the asthenosphere. We have two types of lithospheric plates. First, we have the oceanic plates, which are thin, dense lithospheric plates that are made of basalt and form the ocean floor. We also have the continental plates, which are thick, less dense lithospheric plates that are made of granite and form the continents. Convergent boundary occurs when two tectonic plates slide towards each other. The shaking and vibration of the Earth resulting from underground movement along a fault plane or from a volcanic activity is known as earthquake. Waves produced by a sudden push from an underwater fall is known as tsunami. We also have the process that involves a lithospheric plate sinking into the mantle, and that is known as subduction. The ocean created when one lithospheric plate subducts under another is known as trench. Let us now proceed to oceanic convergent plate boundary. An oceanic convergent boundary is formed when two oceanic plates move toward each other. What happens when two slabs of oceanic plate collide? What will happen to the oceanic's crust leading edge as it continues to slide down? Let's delve into the depth of oceanic convergence. To explain the process occurring on oceanic convergence, let us use a plate motion simulation. In this case, we will be choosing oceanic convergence. As shown by the red arrows in the simulation, two oceanic plates will move towards each other. This indicates that the two oceanic plates will collide. For reference, we have the following legends, indicating the geologic processes and features which can be observed in oceanic convergent boundary. We have the light gray, which are the continental lithosphere, dark gray, oceanic lithosphere, and the orange one, the mantle. We also have GPS station and earthquake, mountain, volcano, underwater volcano, river, and abandoned river bed. Now let us observe the movement of the oceanic plates in various span of time. Let us start with 10 years. Have you observed any notable changes? As the two oceanic plates collide in 10 years, no observable event happens. Although there could have been earthquakes under the ocean, since the two plates are moving toward each other. Let us now proceed to 1,000 years. Have you noticed something? Yes, notable earthquakes occurred as the plate moved closer to each other. What about 1 million years? Other than the occurrence of earthquake, we can observe that one of the oceanic plate is starting to sink beneath the other. This process is called subduction. Now let us try 5 million years. What have you noticed? As shown in the simulation, the cooler, denser oceanic lithosphere continues to sink beneath the warmer, less dense oceanic lithosphere when the two oceanic plates collide. As the oceanic crust sinks deeper into the mantle, water is released that reduces the mantle's melting point and triggers partial melting. The molten material, or magma, from the mantle will rise to the surface, creating volcanoes. Lastly, let us try to observe oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundary in a span of 20 million years. As we can observe from the simulation, as the two plates converge, earthquakes occur. The denser oceanic crust subducts continuously deeper into the mantle, melts, rises, and creates volcanic island arc. These volcanic island arcs are long chains of active volcanoes with intense seismic activity found along oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundaries. Parallel to the volcanic island arcs is a trench. A trench is a depression in the seafloor that marks convergent boundaries or subduction zones. Strong underwater earthquakes are also expected to be generated and will create tsunami. Again, let us study the different geologic features created along oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundary. First, the subduction zone. So, subduction zone is a place where the denser oceanic lithosphere sinks into the mantle. We also have the volcanic island arc, which are a chain of volcanoes formed above a subduction zone. Lastly, a trench, which is a depression in the seafloor that marks convergent boundaries or subduction zones. We must take into account the trench and volcanic island arc are parallel to each other. Geologic events that occur at oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundaries. So we have earthquake, tsunami, and subduction. Aren't you curious how the Philippine archipelago was formed? Or how were the islands of the Philippines were created? Philippines is actually an archipelago which geologically originated from an oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundary. Philippines is an archipelago consisting of more than 7,000 islands and islands. The islands are composed primarily of volcanic rock and coral, but all principal rock formations are present. There are about 300 volcanoes in the Philippines, many of which are active while the larger percentage remains dormant as of the record. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific east of the Philippines. Mariana Trench is created as the massive Pacific plate collides and subducts beneath the less dense Philippine plate. The Challenger Dip is the deepest part of Mariana Trench, which is approximately 11 kilometers below the surface of the ocean. Indonesia is also an archipelago located at the Pacific Ring of Fire, just like the Philippines. How were the islands in Indonesia formed? Both the archipelagos were formed due to the oceanic-oceanic convergence. Indonesian archipelago was formed due to the convergence between Sunda Oceanic Plate, which is a part of the Eurasian Plate, and Indo-Australian Plate, whereas Philippine Archipelago was formed due to the convergence between Sunda Oceanic Plate and Philippines.